Look. Hey guys, we are getting ready to move to Houston, Texas, and we're moving from West Virginia. And this is the truck we're gonna be driving, and I'm gonna be pulling the car. I'm gonna keep you posted to let you guys know how the journey goes. Us moving from West Virginia to Texas, Houston, Texas.
Stay tuned to watch the whole video. Bye.
Deuces. See you in a minute. Okay, guys, we in Bristol right now, pumping some gas. We still have 13 more hours to go. Yeah, it's a long way, but we slowly getting there. Here's the car, guys. Yeah, and that's the truck. That's Mr. BK right there. He's excited. Let's see how much gas we're gonna take.
Thank you for shopping with us today.
Are you excited about moving?
Yes. Mostly about the house.
That's what's up. I wish they had a pizza. We could get some pizza.
Maybe we can get something in there then.
Yeah, we're gonna see. That's the car, guys. It's holding tight. Yeah. It's holding tight, guys. We got an Indiana number plate. All right, guys. Stay with us. You guys, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Daddy?
The bathrooms are over here. Yeah.
Daddy?
No. We go use the bathroom.
I don't need to use the bathroom.
Okay.
Daddy,
What's up, babe?
look at me.
What is it?
Dad?
How much is that?
21.
Let me see if I have $1. I don't have $1, babe. Find something else that you want. We in Tennessee right now, taking a break, guys. But I mean, so far we've done real good. We're about to leave Tennessee and then we're gonna be in Atlanta, Georgia. But everything is good so far. The journey has been great. Hey guys, enjoying the trip? We in Tennessee, guys. Right now, guys. I just got to Georgia right now. Yeah. I'm in Georgia right now, and man, it's been a long day, but everything good, you know what I'm saying? We're still staying strong, you know what I'm saying? We still keep moving, keep pushing, you know what I'm saying? But I'm tired, you know what I'm saying? Like I'm super tired. I can't wait to, you know, get home and get some rest, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, so far so good. The car is still, you know, intact, you know, everything good, you know? Yeah. I'll let y'all know when I get to my next stop. This is the hotel room that we spent the night in, and it's pretty decent.
I want you to meet my new computer weapon. Carry 2.
Carry 2? I think.
Yeah, guys, it was a long drive. We had to take a break and spend the night in Alabama. So this is the morning right now, and we just check and make sure everything is okay, you know. And then we'll go back to the hotel room and get ready and continue with the journey. It looks like it's still pretty it's still holding tight. Everything looks pretty good, you know, and it's a beautiful morning, you know. Yeah, I mean, everything is, so far, everything looks so great. The car is still holding tight. Yeah. I'm gonna warm up the truck right now just to get it ready. And then I'm gonna run to, I see there's a McDonald's nearby. Go get me some breakfast. And then come back to my hotel. Yeah, it's a decent, nice hotel. Comforting. And get back on the road. So stay with us and see how everything goes, guys. We're almost there. 8 more hours before we get home. We're in Alabama now, getting some gas. And then we got Brielle right here and DK. They're pumping gas. How much gas? We go 40. All right, now we're gonna take turns. Baby sis, it's your turn to pump gas. Let her hold it. I know it's hard, but let her try. There you go. She got it. Are you guys having fun?
Yes.
Are you guys fresh and ready?
Yes.
All right. So now we're gonna try to drive all the way to Longview.
Then sleep in Longview.
And we're gonna spend the night in Longview, and then we're gonna finish our journey.
Yeah, we're moving.
Yeah. It's been fun, guys.
Stop.
Okay.
Stop, Daddy.
No, it didn't stop. Let me try. I think. Okay, I think it's full.
It's full.
All right.
Yeah, it's full.
House now. Are you guys excited?
Let's go. Yeah.
All right.
And
We're getting
somebody's
some
coming to
food.
parking lot.
We're getting some food. We are here in Alabama.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys.
We're getting some food at the Waffle House before we head on. It looks pretty busy in there.
Hi guys.
All right.
Waffles with eggs.
I already ordered that.
Eggs?
Yeah.
What is this? No. Eggs. How about $14 again?
Waffle House menu.
I just saved 2 lives for you. First, you almost dropped the light pole.
You're right. You're right.
Yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Second, I remember that mommy ordered waffles and eggs.
Yeah, you're right. Thank you. I owe you, okay?
Only $1,000.
All right. Right here. Mr. Biggie, you excited with the food?
Yes.
All right. Let's go, guys. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, guys. We are still in Alabama, but right now we are about to get into Mississippi.
Yeah, we are.
Everything is still good. The kids needs to pee, so we had to make a quick detour so the kids can pee. I mean, everything is still holding on strong and tight, you know. So I mean, everything good, you know, marvelous. So all right, let's go, guys. All right, guys. So just stay with us, and we'll let you know. You know. Yeah, we still got a little stretch before we get to Longview. All right.
Let's go.
Baby sister, you all right?
Yeah.
Having fun?
Yeah.
You love it, huh?
Yeah.
Good.
We're going to a new house today.
Where you going?
To Houston, Texas.
Good.
Let's go to the
Whataburger. We out here.
Hi.
Know what time it is, dude. You did a good job. Okay, here are your straws, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. This is, I think you need. Well, guys, we are stuck in traffic. As you guys can see. I don't know how long it's going to take, but.
I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you want, stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what.
Wait, go ahead. That's a wrap.
Diamonds got the corona, money bad runs. That's the aroma. This ain't no mid from Arizona. I'm serious, real, period. I ain't hearing my put over sticks, they clearing. Yeah, me and JT, we killing it, period.
I thought a who watch what I do, but he can't get his back saying something. Is it true that he posting another money? Probably. I'm put that past him. Maybe so. I thought they be speaking on me, but be the broken saying something. Listen.
I don't know if this one. Is this how you do?
The breadcrumbs. Go.
I don't know.
Mixed feelings, but I ain't
I don't know.
like a richer man. Let me know what time it is.
This is gonna be a long video. Now I'm uncomfortable.
My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad in the friend zone. This sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told Pool, he a fool with this. Told her, don't let her friends know. In the field, and I move like a dime. You can put the cheat me at Vincenzo's. Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair, bitch, she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard my, she said, babe.
Okay, come.
Come down me. Wait for me.
Be careful, okay?
Wait, where's the holder?
Yeah, we just made it, guys.
Wait, are you inside?
Okay,
Oh, close the door.
come, follow me.
Wait, are you? Go.
Okay,
Let's-
follow baby sis. Follow baby sis. Go. Go. Okay, now, yeah, go.
I'm scared. Okay. Everybody makes us open eyes.
Okay, mom is coming to hold both of your hands. Okay, go.
Open your eyes? No. Keep going.
Do you guys want do you want to open when you get in, or when you're inside, or when you're outside?
I can open now.
Surprise!
New house?
Gang. We out here, cuz. That's how we do it. This is gang. I know. Are you guys excited about the house? Yes. Good. Wait.